Tollymore looks majestic in the amber light. Strong, sweet-scented flowers surround me, colours awash like a rainbow so bright, with old stones telling tales as the river flows free. Kind strangers ask for a picture together, capturing a moment they will forever adore. A misty rain signals a change in the weather. Slowly I pack my things and stroll home once more. This place has been a healing balm, helping me to sit with myself and see that when the storm rages inside, for a moment I am still, calm and free. Life will come at me again with all its thunder, so I will sit for a while to admire all of its wonder.